Hello, I'm back again. So now I'm ready to start recording. So I'm going to switch to my application that I want to share with my students. So I have switched to my application I want to share with my students. And I have pushed, I am now pushing my control space to start recording my video for my students. When I want to pause, I am typing control, comma, and when I finish, I will type control space again. Okay, once I type control space, I will now have a file called an FLV file. The FLV file, I can now go back. Okay, I'm now hitting my thing to stop my video. Good. I'm now going to go to back to my main controller. What I want to do now is to go to File, Remux Recordings. I find my previous recording. Here it is. And I'm going to want to create it into an MP4 file. Okay, it's now created an MP4 file. The reason I want to do an MP4 file is so that I can upload it very easily to my website or to YouTube or wherever or to send it to my students. And that basically completes. I've now made my video. It's stored as an MP4 file, and that's it. If you have other questions, we can add the next step if you want.